Hey guys, have you ever noticed that tummy issues always seem to happen at an inopportune time? It's always at the worst possible moments. From going too little to going too much, I've developed a pretty helpful toolkit for all things digestive support, all with natural solutions. Today, I'll share a little about the tips and tricks I've used for digestion support with essential oils. You won't be sorry to have these essential oils and supplements on hand for the worst days, be proactive on the best days, and have a remedy for every day in between. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Stick around until the end and I'll share one of my favorite tried and true rollerball recipes for digestion to help you avoid the gurgles, assist with the occasional occurrence of overeating, and beat the holiday heartburn. Hi, I'm Amiee Connor and I've been helping people lead a natural, healthier way of life since 2013. I'm a mom to 2 sets of boy-girl twins and an Army wife. With a master's degree in mental health counseling and an essential oil expert with doTERRA, I seek to empower you and your loved ones to live a natural, healthier way of life. Let's jump right in. Number 1, peppermint essential oil. When utilizing peppermint essential oil internally, it can be incredibly supportive for your digestion process. However, I want to encourage you to do your research before utilizing essential oils internally. doTERRA ensures all of their essential oils go through rigorous testing to be sure they meet the CPTG standard, pure, effective, and safe to ingest. Since not all essential oils are safe for internal use, you may be wondering how you'll remember what you can and can't ingest. It's simple. Just look at the label on the doTERRA bottles that mark them generally safe for ingestion. Want a pro tip? If the bottle sports supplemental facts like you see at the grocery store, you can ingest them. Number 2, digestive blend soft gels. Digest with the best, and all in the ease and convenience of a soft gel. Peppermint, coriander, ginger, caraway, cardamom, fennel, and anise. These oils are supportive for the gastrointestinal tract, colon, and stomach. Yes, please. Do you have any tried or true recipes, techniques, or suggestions for dealing with days that you aren't feeling your best? I know my subscribers would love to hear what has worked for you and your family. Let's follow up with the remaining options for naturally supporting your digestive process. Number 3, Digestion essential oil. A showstopper. This oil is a life-changing addition to all your digestion woes. Whether it's for those gassy and bloated feelings or that all too familiar burn from indigestion. Try a drop on the tongue and see how relieved you feel, almost instantly. The blend of peppermint, caraway, cardamom, coriander, ginger, and fennel is a perfect concoction to promote digestion. If the taste is too strong, just put a drop in a glass of water. You can get this oil in a 15 milliliter bottle or get the convenient roller by grabbing the Digestion Touch Rollerball, which is one of those pro hacks. I found whatever is convenient and easy is what you will use the most. This is the one you need to grab for topical use. Clockwise to encourage movement, if you know what I mean, and counterclockwise if you need to discourage it. Number 4, ginger essential oil. This oil can be a bit spicy, just like what you might find on your plate of favorite sushi. But just like the idea of pairing the sushi with ginger, the main purpose is easing you into the digestive process. Ginger essential oil has never been more relevant for your comfort. When feeling queasy or unsettled, a drop of ginger can work wonders. Not sure about ingesting the oil? Try diffusing this oil or even inhaling from your palms. Another pro tip we like to do in our household is use the doTERRA ginger drops. These have proven to be literal MVPs for all those mamas-to-be. You guys made it to the end. Click the link below and download my tried and true rollerball blend for digestive support with essential oils. Thanks so much for watching. If you've been looking for an essential oil expert who has made the swap to natural wellness for her family, you found her. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video.